Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We've got Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us yet again, and just in time for the big game. You've got a big game treat and the appropriate colors to go along with it.
You can make some changes to that. We'll talk about that later, but it's great to know that soy is in every one of these ingredients. I have here some peanut butter chips and some semi-chocolate chips. There's 1 1/4 cups of both of those that we're melting here. And soy lecithin is in there. And soy lecithin just kind of helps smooth out all the ingredients for us. So we're going to I'll let you kind of mix that there.
Okay.
And then I'm going to add another soy ingredient, and this is vegetable shortening. And this is 1/4 cup of soy nut butter. So if you are allergic to peanuts, really look, and I'll help you now.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Really think about using the soy nut butter because it gives you the nut butter taste, and yet you won't have the peanut with the allergies. But look how nice that melts together. We just want to blend that, and that vegetable shortening again just adds to the smoothness of it. Now what we're going to add to is some peanut butter crunch cereal, and there's soy protein in it. This is a kashi cereal. And it has the peanut butter, so we're just kind of peanut butter all the way here. And you can add the other one. Okay. There we go. And this is such a great recipe to make because it's so easy. And did I tell you that it makes 30 treats?
You did not. 30 of these, and this isn't a very big batch of stuff we've got
No,
here.
it isn't. Easy to make. You can do it, guys, you could do it several days ahead of the big game, as we were saying. And we would just want to cover all the cereal that we put in there is the plan here. And then what we're going to do, we have a parchment pan here that we're going to put that on. And I'm just going to, so we can show, I'm going to take some out here and put on it. And then what we have for decorations, do this while it's still warm because then it will stick. And I'll let you turn off the heat here. Okay. Do we have that turned off?
There we go.
And you take our sprinkles, and we have red sprinkles for our Chiefs. We have yellow sprinkles. And if you wanted to do this for Valentine's Day, you could use just the red and have another treat that you'd have for your family. Okay. Or during basketball games, you can use other colors for your favorite teams. But this week, when you asked who our favorite team is, I think we can say that mine is the Chiefs.
I would say so. You know, I've got to say that's my favorite team too. And I mean, okay, so I went a little light on the sprinkles. I imagine you could put a couple more on there if you wanted to, because these ones that we've already cooked up here look amazing.
And I love it that you have 30 treats that are easy to make. Put them on your buffet table this weekend. Gives you another great option for a Super Bowl buffet.
Yeah, absolutely. And the thing is what was it? I can't recall last year you made another snack. And it was just perfect. It was nuts and stuff, and it was just amazing. And this looks just as good as that. So, I mean, and what I like is they're almost like bite-sized. Because see, you can take a look, these pieces. You can get a couple of good bites out of these here, and it makes an amazing-looking snack. And this is the one thing I just wanted to say, is because it's something I've learned over the past several months now, doing these segments with you. There's so many ways to eat healthy without realizing you're eating healthy.
And we would recommend that everyone who wants to go to our website to learn more about the health benefits, because we know we need 25 grams of soy protein every day. And this is a great way to give that to your guest without them even knowing it.
Exactly, exactly. If you don't tell them anything about it, they'll never know. They'll never know at all. So in terms of the website, where can people go to get this recipe, and what do they need to know? Where can they call?
They can call our 800 number, 877-KS Soybean. They can also go to our website, and when they call the 800 number at kansassoybeans.org is the website, they can ask, and they'll send them all of our recipes for February, so they can get it today.
Excellent. Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, if you missed any of that, don't worry. It's all on our website too at KOAMnewsnow.com. We've got more of the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14 right after this.